Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your phone meets the basics. iOS 18 or later, and Apple Intelligence turned on in settings. Once done, access the camera immediately from the lock screen by swiping left or pull down Control Center and tap the camera icon. You can also open the camera app from the home screen. Make sure camera, microphone, and photos permissions are granted so Apple Intelligence can analyze scenes and save results. This gets you into the app and ready for the next steps. Now enable the intelligence features inside the camera settings so your device can assist you. You go to Settings, tap Camera, then Intelligence, and toggle scene suggestions, live analysis, and any composition guides you want. These options let the system recommend framing and exposure. Make sure you allow photos and Siri access when prompted so suggestions and smart captures save properly and voice commands work. Once enabled, return to the camera app and watch the live preview for on-screen tips and real-time enhancements. Finish by using the on-screen guidance. Compose your shot, follow framing suggestions, and tap the shutter or press a volume key for capture. After capture, open Photos to review AI-suggested edits or alternative crops. Accept or revert edits as you prefer. If the intelligence features stop working, first reboot your phone and confirm camera, photos, and Siri permissions, then update iOS. If problems persist, reset camera settings in Settings to clear custom options, and try enabling intelligence again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.